Welcome once again, guys, to my channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe so that you can get more videos on how to make money online while you sleep, while you're at home. Alright. So on this channel today, we are going to be sharing on how you can simply get free traffic to your affiliate links. Okay, so how you can get free traffic to your affiliate links and then you start making money online. Okay, so I'm just going to jump on straight to our website on how you can get free traffic into your affiliate links. For those who do not know what affiliate marketing is, you can check out on my other videos. I'll be explaining what affiliate marketing is, and I'm going to be leaving a link below this video on free affiliate marketing training. All right, so you can get a free affiliate marketing training on the link that I'm going to leave below on this video. All right, so guys, let us jump into this video and let me show you how I'm making my sales, how I am getting my traffic into my affiliate links. All right, so the first website that I'm going to be talking about today is LinkedIn, guys. All right, so when you come to LinkedIn, you can simply sign up for LinkedIn. It is free to sign up. You sign up into LinkedIn, and then when you come into LinkedIn, guys, you do not have to be posting your links, like spamming your links into the site. No, you can simply be writing articles, guys. People read articles. All right, so you can simply come here, you create your own article. When you've got your own article, you can simply come and paste your article here. You can link your article, so whenever people come and read this article, they will make sure, like, they will actually get value from your article if ever your article does give value, and then they will definitely click on your links, and then you are going to be making money when people are clicking on your links, guys. All right, so this is LinkedIn, guys. You can simply come on LinkedIn, create your article, make money from LinkedIn. All right, the second website I'm going to be showing you today is Quora, guys. Okay, Quora, you can use it to come and answer questions. You know, people come here and ask questions. People get to be answered on Quora. So you can simply use Quora to generate traffic for free as well. Just like as you see here, you can see somebody is asking, how do I make money online from home? So you can simply come and answer this question, guys. All right, you can come here and answer this question if you've got an answer. And then when you answer your question, you also include your what? Your affiliate link. People will get to click on your link, guys, and then you make money as well. All right, so it is very simple. Or you can simple, guys, come and create for yourself. You see, when you want to answer, you can come here. How do I make money online? You come here, you answer, maybe you put your article, and then you also add your what? Your affiliate link as well, so that people can be able to see your link, and then you make money from your link. Okay, and then on the other side, guys, you can make sure that you get free traffic each and every time from Quora by simply creating for yourself a simple space. You can come here and create a space. This is more like a small website. Quora is more like a small website. You can come and create for yourself a space here, and then you put your articles on your space, guys. Whenever somebody comes and asks something maybe related to what you are talking about, your answer or your article can pop up, and those people can get to click on your links, and then you start making money, guys. All right, so again, I'm also going to be, if you are going to be staying with me on this video, I'm also going to show you the #1 free traffic source that you are going to be making money almost like each and every day on autopilot on. All right, so now the third website that I'm going to show you, guys, is medium.com. If you can go on Google, type medium.com, you'll be able to see medium.com. It is a small website, guys, where you can come and write your articles, and then when you write your articles get published, and people get to see your articles. You see, those are just articles that I just wrote here, so people get to see those articles for free, guys. All right, so if you may ask yourself, why am I showing you medium.com, and how are people going to see your affiliate links on medium.com. When you just come here and write your articles, guys, there are people who come into Medium just to read articles. All right, if you can simply check, okay, let me just check here for you. If you can go to similarweb.com, it will actually show you how many people go into that website each and every month. All right, so if you come to this SimilarWeb, all right, and then you take Medium, let's say medium.com here, medium.com. Okay, you can just come and copy it here. Let's go to our SimilarWeb, and then we put medium.com out. I just want to show you guys like how you can simply get free traffic and make money using your what? Using your affiliate links for free, guys, for free. This is free stuff. If you feel like I'm giving value to you, you can simply smash that like button and subscribe on my videos, because of I'll be putting out videos like this each and every time, each and every day. All right, so that you can be able to make money for free online. Okay, so now when we come to medium.com, you can see I'm just trying to make sure that we get it right here. When we come to medium.com and then you paste medium.com, all right, I think my network is a little bit slow, so just 1 second. It is asking me to do this. Okay, guys, you can simply go to similarweb.com. You put the link there. You will be able to see how many people come and visit on medium.com. All right, and then you'll be able to see only if you can only just get a part of that fraction of that traffic that goes to Medium, and then you start making money. As you see, okay, here is it. You can see, guys, we are on medium.com. Can you see, guys? Can you see? These are people coming into medium.com each and every month. You can see there'll be 213.34 million, guys. All right, there'll be 213 million 34,000 people coming into medium.com each and every month just to read articles. All right, so if your articles are also found in there, you've got a possibility to make money as well. All right, and then as I promised you guys, I'm going to be showing you the #1 traffic source that you can simply make money on for free on autopilot and just get yourselves each and every day, depending on what niche you're selling, depending on what you are selling, or you want traffic to your website. All right, if you can go into your Google and please type freeglobalAds.com. all right, that'll be freeglobalAds.com. okay, freeglobalAds.com. You'll see freeglobalAds.com like this. You're going to free global ads. Guys, you can specifically like design for yourself an ad, put it on free global ads. Anybody in the world will be able to see your ad, guys, immediately. Even if you put your lead, like if you put your advert like right now, 1,000 people can get to see your affiliate link, guys. All right, 1,000 million people actually will be able to see your affiliate link on whatever niche, guys. You can see there are services for sale, whatever niche that you put here, people will be able to see you will be able to see your link. If you are on the business, you can come here, you can see work from home, business opportunities, things like that. So when you're advertising, whatever you're advertising, whether it's beauty stuff, guys, you can simply come here, put your link for free, put your ad for free and make money. And then I'll be showing you guys 1,000 websites whereby you can put your affiliate link and get more traffic into your into your website or into your affiliate link each and every time. All right, if you want free traffic, you can simply subscribe on my channel, guys. I'll be giving you more videos like this. Okay, so if you go into your Google site, you can simply type like sitelike.org, sitelike.org. all right, it will show you something like this. Just 1 second. it will be like the sitelike.org. It will show you like this. If you go down on sitelike.org, all right, you are going to see similar websites just like freeglobalS.com, guys. All right. So if you go on each and every website that you see here, you post your affiliate links, or you post your website link, you are going to see magic, guys. You are going to see traffic running into your website, guys. I cannot promise you conversion, but then you are going to have free traffic into your website. So all these websites, guys, you can use them, all of them. These ones, as you see, all these websites. You come here, you post your link here, you come down here, it's a different website, you post your link here, you come here, you post your link here, guys. Can you see? This website is worth something like $81,000, you understand? This one is worth like 160, but then you come and post absolutely free, guys. All right, so you go to sitelike.org to get those websites, and then you start posting absolutely free. Okay, guys. So guys, if ever you're finding any value, or you're getting what I'm saying, please implement what I'm just teaching you right now and start seeing money into your accounts. Okay, so I've just shown you the websites that you can start making money on. Start making money, guys. Get your affiliate links out there and start making money. All right, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for staying with me so long, even though my network was so bad today. Please subscribe and watch more of my videos. I'll be taking up so much videos